Всем привет! Today we have our lesson about Russian adjectives. An adjective in overall describes a noun, person, animal, phenomenon, thing, substance, and etc. We already know the genders of Russian nouns, so this topic will be familiar to you. All Russian adjectives change their endings according to the gender of a noun: masculine, feminine, or neuter. Now let's talk about masculine endings y, and oy. The most common ending is y. We use e after the special letters we mentioned in previous lessons, such as g, k, h, ц, ч, sh, sh. We use oy when the ending is stressed. So here are some constructions. Stem of the word plus ending y. For example, красивый, beautiful, добрый, kind, старый, old, умный, smart. The second construction is stem of the word plus ending и. Маленький, small, хороший, good, легкий, light. The third one is stem of the word plus ending ой. Большой, big, сухой, dry, молодой, young, плохой, bad. Then we have stem of the word plus ending ни, as in words синий, blue, and утренний, morning. Now let's move to the feminine endings ая and яя. They even sound feminine. The situation with endings is the same. Stem of the word plus ending ая, яя give you the feminine adjective. For example, красивая, добрая, старая, умная. Adjectives on ни turn to няя in the feminine form. For example, синяя, утренняя, вечерняя. And now, neuter endings ое and ее. Stem of the word plus ending ое. For example, красивое, доброе, старое, умное. Adjectives on ни turn to неє in the neuter form. For example, синее, утреннее, раннее, вечернее. And now let's talk about plural forms. The construction is stem of the word plus ending ые. Красивые, добрые, старые, умные. The second case is when we have stem of the word plus ending ие. Маленькие, хорошие, легкие. So I hope that our lessons are easy for you too. So please don't forget about practicing your knowledges. Hope to see you next class.